Howdy folks, and in this episode of the Smoogleville Workshop we'll be reviewing this Earthwise Chipper shredder. Okay, so let's look at assembly first of all. Very simple to assemble. I've been looking at the parts here. We have, this was very appreciated. They have provided us with 2 wrenches to help us get the wheels on. The wheel axle's already assembled, so you know where the washers go, so that's very nice. We got 4 bolts here which will attach these legs to the body. We've got some parts here that basically clip together, so I'm going to just spend a few minutes putting this together. I didn't even need to look at the instruction manual to see how to do that. This is a collection bucket that goes in the bottom. All you have to do really is look at a picture of it to figure out which way the legs go, and you're set. So let's put it together. These tools also provided a little Allen key there that fits into these bolts on the side, but I'm just gonna put it together right now, and I'm actually going to use this to speed up the job a little bit. Okay, so let's put this together. Right, let's start from the top and work down, or we can go from the bottom up. I'm going to time this just to see how long it takes to actually put this together with the parts out of the box. So let's get the old timer going here, and we'll see. Let's see, stopwatch. Okay, here we go. All right, let's put it together. Let's start with the base and work our way up. So I'm going to put on these legs first of all. I'm just going to look at the picture, see. All right, so the wheel goes to the side where the switches are at, so that's this way. So let's get that on there like that, and we have another one there. Okay, so let's put that off of that up there and line those bolts up. Just get them started by hand so I don't cross the thread accidentally, and then we'll use this to tighten those. Okay, that's our push rod. We are getting ready for operation test. All right, there's the power. All right, so assembled in, I suppose technically I need to slide this underneath, but we're not even at 8 minutes, and that's with me stopping to move cameras around for the filming. So, so 7 minutes and 37 seconds to actually, and a little bit less time to actually build that. So that was very easy to assemble, and I didn't even have to look at the instruction manual. It was very intuitive out of the box. This guy is what we use to push the sticks and leaves in. And so next, let's see how well it does out there. I've got a huge pile of sticks and bushes. It's that time of year, folks, where we're trimming. And rather than burn it and just create a lot of smoke and carbon dioxide, I'm going to actually use this guy to mulch it back to chips, and then sprinkle that back on the ground and get all those nutrients and goodness back into the soil, so we can use it again next year, much more environmentally friendly. So let's give her a run outside, see what happens. Gloves would be good here. So the feed hole is fairly small. You can kind of see that there if I put the camera on there, which is fine. It's certainly very powerful. It's not having a problem chewing up the sticks. What I am having to do where they're widening like that is squeeze them in a bit, give them a bit of a push. Oh, another thing that's nice, I've got big thick gloves on, and those buttons are nice and big, so I can operate this safely and on and off without having to take my glove off, which is nice as well. Let's take a look at the output now. Let's see what we've got in our collection bin so far. Oh, yeah. Wow, yeah, that's a really good reduction. A few sticks got through without being chopped up, but that generally is brilliant. Amazing. Right, let's film a little bit of a conclusion. Dead easy to set up, very quick and easy, as you saw. Set it up in well under 10 minutes, very easy to do. It's making some real nice chips. It's as powerful as I'd hoped, actually has a bit more power. Although it's not advertised as self-feeding, it does pull the material in for the most part. When it gets stuck you have to help it, but for the most part it's actually drawing that stuff down, so that's terrific. That was a kind of a bonus I wasn't expecting. I thought it'd be fully manual all the way through. As I said, nice big button so I can easily operate it with gloves on, which you clearly have to do. The hopper, as long as you don't exceed the size of the material in the hopper, as long as it'll go through those holes, and I'm kind of learning what will work and what won't. It will pretty much mulch anything you can get through the holes, so there's plenty of power in there, I think. And certainly for all this light brush and stuff that we're cutting here, it's more than adequate, and so that's going to save us a few bonfires and give us a much more environmentally friendly way of dealing with our bush cut back every year. So yeah, I'd buy it again. That's pretty good. I like it. Very convenient. No messing around with gasoline engines. Just plug it in and off you go. Very nice. All right, so thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you on another episode of the Smoogleville Workshop very soon. Take care. Bye bye. Please click the like button if you found this episode helpful, and we'd love to have you as a subscriber, as there's always something interesting going on in the Smoogleville Workshop.